Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th episode of Web3 Valley. Today, Praveen won't be joining us because I will be quickly walking you guys through how to download Phantom Wallet and how to transfer money from your crypto exchange to your Phantom Wallet. And finally, we will also see how to use the private key on your Phantom Wallet by interacting with the DeFi app. So without further ado, let me quickly go ahead and share my screen. So we are all good here. So if you look at it, this is the Phantom app, Phantom Twitter. And why Twitter? Because in crypto, if you are not in Twitter, please make sure that you are on Twitter, because most of the information dissemination happens through Twitter when it comes to crypto. So if you are not part of crypto Twitter, please make sure you choose crypto as your option so that you start getting all related tweets related to crypto. If you look at it, Phantom is verified. Twitter is one place to verify the authenticity of apps. So this particular Twitter site has Phantom, and it is being verified with a blue tick mark. It also has over 350,000 followers. And so let's quickly go ahead and download Phantom app. Now, while this uploads, let me quickly tell you that Ethereum by far has the largest ecosystem compared to Solana. I have been interacting only on Solana blockchain, not on Ethereum. Having said that, we will explore Ethereum in the future videos. So with that said, we have come to Phantom Wallet website. And if you look at it, recently Phantom Wallet have upgraded themselves to support not only Solana, they support Ethereum and Polygon going forward. Because of that, there have been some changes to Phantom Wallet, which I am still getting used to it. So without further ado, let me download the Phantom Wallet. It will ask, where do you want to have the Phantom Wallet saved as an extensions? Do you want to save it in Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Edge? I'm choosing Chrome because I already have a Phantom Wallet saved in Brave. Okay, and it takes you to this screen, and if you look at it, we have over 200,000 plus users, so this is genuine. And I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. It says read, and I'll say as add extension. It says it can read all data. I just say add to extension. Okay, so we are good to go. We will be presented with another screen now. So it says Phantom has been added to Chrome, and it will take you to this screen, which will give you two options: whether you want to create a new wallet or you want to say, I already have a wallet. So I'm going to click on create a new wallet. You can choose I already have a wallet. If you already have a wallet and you have forgotten the password, like we mentioned in the previous video, you can use the seed phrase to recover your Phantom Wallet. But I'm assuming that all of you are new and none of you have Phantom Wallet downloaded. So you can click on create a new wallet. And the next screen will ask you to set up a password, set up a good password. I'm going to get rid of this Phantom Wallet immediately after this tutorial. So I'm going to set up a password that is not too strong. It's just going to be a medium one. So this screen shows the secret recovery phrase. I'm going to spend some time on what this is, the importance of secret recovery phrase. Like I mentioned in the previous video, if you have forgotten your online password, you can always retrieve the password by clicking on forgot password. But when it comes to your crypto wallet, there is no option for forgot password. You have to go through this exercise again and then enter your seed phrase, which is basically this 12 words, right? Barrel, throw, brush, envelope. So make sure that you're writing this down in this exact order, and also making sure that you are copying the exact cases, small case and uppercase as it is, and make sure that you're keeping this safe and in a safe place where you can retrieve and you remember that you have kept it in a safe place, right? So for now, I'm going to, so it's very important to make sure that you are writing this down in the same order as it is shown, and also making sure that you're also taking care of the case sensitive for these words. So I'm going to continue this, and you have an option to open Phantom wallet through Alt P. This Alt plus Shift plus P will open your Phantom wallet once it is added to your Chrome browser. And if you want, you can follow them on Twitter, and you can finish. Click on finish, and your Chrome wallet, sorry, your Phantom wallet is added to your Chrome. As I mentioned earlier, Phantom has actually extended its support to Polygon and Ethereum. So it is asking you to take a tour on how Phantom wallet will enable you to basically how it supports multiple blockchains. I don't want to be taking a tour, so I will be closing this. So this is your wallet. Congratulations, you have set up your first Phantom wallet. So as I mentioned in my previous video, you get your access to your public key here. So this is your public key. You can copy your public key, and if anybody wants to, if your friend who has a Solana wallet and he wants to send some Solana tokens to you, you can share the public key with him, and he will be able to share, anybody can share any Solana tokens with you, right? So this is your email address, so to say, which you can share it outside so that people can communicate with you in terms of sending any cryptos, particularly Solana to you, right? So this is public key. I am going to, so this is the Phantom wallet. The next step is how we can transfer the coins from the crypto exchange to your Phantom wallet. Since I already have a wallet, I'm going to discard this wallet. So let me quickly discard this wallet. So I'm going to Chrome, and I'm going to say remove from Chrome, and remove. So I already have Phantom wallet saved in my Brave browser. So the next step is to transfer crypto coins from the exchange to your Phantom wallet. I already have some USDT with me. If you can see, I already have, this is my KuCoin account. And if you go to assets, and you can come to main account, and you will be able to view your USDT. Now, how do you buy your USDT? You can come to P2P, right? You can come to P2P. So unlike WazirX, where you were able to deposit money to the exchange, here you will not be able to. Here you need to buy USDT to buy crypto. So you have different traders who are selling USDT to you for different prices. My recommendation would be to look at the conversion rate and how successfully have they been settling orders with merchants. If you look at it, you have Bharat Trader, who has settled 98.44 times, and Deepak Official for 98.75%, and Unique Lucky has settled over 99. So I would prefer to trade with Unique Lucky because he has close to 100% settlement rate. So I would click on buy, and then I would use my Google Pay to enter the UPI ID and transfer the amount to Unique Lucky, and who would then release the required number of USDT, right? So once the USDT is released, you will find your USDT in main account. Okay, so I have already purchased USDT, and I already have about, sorry, let me just go up. I should be having, so I already have about 11 USDT. So my next step is to use this USDT to buy Solana so that I can transfer it to my Phantom wallet. So the next immediate step is I have to transfer my Solana from main account to trading account. Because this is where I can buy Solana, and I want to buy Solana for all my USDT. So I transfer it. So I have now transferred USDT. It's changed to 0. It has gone to, from my main account, it has gone to trading account. So I go to my spot trading. Okay. And I will choose, instead of BTC, I will choose Sol. Okay, choose Sol USDT. And I would come down. Okay, and I would choose spot. Make sure you're in spot market, not in leverage trading or futures market. You're in spot. Go to market order. I'm going to place a market order. Choose 100% of my USDT, which is 11.1, and then I would say buy Sol. So I have successfully, you have placed order successfully for Sol. So I bought some Sol. Right now the Sol is in my trading account, so I will go to asset section and go to my trading account. And I will be transferring, so I have about 0.50 Sol. I will be transferring from trading account to main account, because I can only withdraw Sol from the main account. So I will be transferring from trading account to main account. What are you transferring? You are transferring Sol. How much do you want to transfer? All the amount. So I will transfer all. Okay, I have transferred from trading account to main account. Now we'll come back to main account. I have about 1 Sol worth of tokens. So now I will be withdrawing to my Phantom wallet, which is saved in the Brave browser. Remember, I already have my wallet, so I'll be transferring it to my Phantom wallet. I have already transferred before, so there is a transaction history on recent withdrawals. So this is my public address, 5LORK and 66BBW. So I will be copying my wallet address and pasting it here in the withdrawal address, and I will be selecting Sol network. Okay, so make sure you're selecting Sol, and you'll see that there is a 0.01 transaction fees that you have to pay to the exchange. All right, so I will be so I have 1.01 Sol, but I will only be getting 1.0047 Sol. So so we have about 1 Sol worth. Now I can click on withdraw. So make sure that before you withdraw, you have selected the right public address so that you can withdraw it to the right wallet address. So I'm going to say withdraw. And so it will say that it is going to be withdrawn to this wallet address on the network Sol, and I'm going to confirm. And I'll enter my trading password. And it's also asked me to send code. Let me quickly get my phone. Just waiting for the message to come through so that I can enter the code. So when it comes to Ethereum, the transaction fee may be a lot higher compared to Solana. So in Solana, you're only paying 0.01 transaction fees, but when it comes to Ethereum, it may be a lot higher. Maybe I need to resend the code again. Sometimes it takes two attempts to get it. Yeah, I got it now. So let's okay. Okay, so withdrawal has been initiated, so it will come to my wallet address. So that's pretty much it. I confirm, and I am going to now log out of my exchange. So if you have noticed, I have come to exchange just to do my business. I have bought my token and I am getting out now, right? My Brave browser. So it takes some time for the for the transfer to happen. So let me open my Phantom wallet. I'm going to keep my phone back. Okay, so there you go. So I've got my Solana back into my main wallet. Now, this is the procedure for transferring from crypto exchange to Phantom wallet. Now, the next step that I'm going to show you is to interact with the DeFi app. This is just to show the use of private key. We will dive into DeFi and NFTs in the next videos. So this is purely for educational purposes, and I'm not recommending that you use DeFi or you buy NFTs. Ultimately, it is your money and your goals are very different from my goals. So you don't have to do whatever I'm asking you to do. This is simply for educational reasons that I'm sharing this content with you. I'm going to go to a lending app called Sharkify. So this is basically a lending app where you can lend money to peers. We will talk about it in detail in future videos. But just to give you an idea, this is a website that one can use to lend money directly to another individual for a certain amount of interest. In traditional world, we use banks for it, but when it comes to blockchain, you can lend peer-to-peer with the help of a smart contract. We will dive deep into details in future videos. The purpose of this tutorial is just to show the use of private key. So as you can see, I have logged into sharkify.loans. So I'm going to select my wallet. I'm going to choose Phantom, and I'm going to open my wallet. I'm going to connect my wallet. And so I have connected my wallet. If you notice, I have connected my wallet. So I want to lend some SOL to peers, and I have few NFT collections where I can choose to lend. And if you see, there are some mind-blowing offers that are being offered. So I'm going to lend for an NFT collection called Underground Society. So I'm going to click on lend, and I'm going to say I'm going to lend about 2.7 SOL, or maybe 2.75. And you can choose whatever amount you want to lend to. So if you choose 2.95, you will get a message saying the offer is very risky because it's very close to floor price. We will get into details of these things later. So I'm going to reduce this to say 2.9 for floor price, and I'm going to bid for an offer. Maybe I would change it to 8.5, and I'm going to place an offer. So as soon as I place an offer, it'll ask me to approve. So this is where you're going to, when I approve, this is where you're going to use the private key that has been assigned to you, but the private key gets actioned at the backend. So when you approve, you're actually using your private key and it gets approved at the backend. So there you go. I have actually placed an offer for 2.85 Sol at an interest rate of 280% per year. Let's see how that goes. Somebody has to accept the loan and agree to pay it back. So this is the application interaction. Again, you don't have to go ahead and invest the amount in Sharkify. I wanted to show how this exactly works. So your private key is used to interact with your DeFi apps. So today we learned how to download Phantom Wallet, how to transfer crypto from your crypto exchange to your Phantom Wallet, and finally using your Phantom Wallet and using your private key, how you can interact with dApps. The last step is purely for educational purposes. I know have from our side. So thank you very much, and you have a good day.